The Ramly burger. When you search for things to eat in Malaysia, the first thing that comes up, and the highest thing that comes up, is the Ramly burger. This burger is apparently so good that people are saying it should be the national dish of the whole country. Even Michelin star chefs apparently struggle to replicate the taste of this burger. To make things interesting, we're going to be trying not one, not two, but 3 burgers being sold at these famous burger stalls, ranking them from 1 to 3, revealing all of the locations we went to, exactly where they are, because a lot of them are not visible on a map. You really have to know the coordinates.
Ramly burger, Mike.
Bad service, dead burger, don't go to Now the story goes that in the 70s, there were not many places for Muslims in Kuala Lumpur to get street food because none of the food was halal. This guy, whose name I will put on the screen because I've forgotten it, started making burgers as a family business. Then they opened their first stall right at the end of the 70s, and then they started selling these burgers, Ramly burgers, to the public. Can you tell me what goes in this burger?
Special double beef cheese.
So beef, cheese, egg? Yeah?
Double patty, 1 egg, 1 cheese.
Double patty, 1 egg, 1 cheese. What else? What sauce?
Sauce, chili sauce.
Chili
mayonnaise,
sauce. Mayo.
mayonnaise.
Okay.
Sauce.
And then bun.
Bun, yeah.
Alright, cool.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Onion, cucumber.
Most of these spots seem to open quite late, so this one opens at 6. It's one of the earliest opening ones that I could find. And we've strategically come on a Wednesday as well because I've seen some mad queues in the videos for these spots. So we've come at opening time on a Wednesday, no queue. Beautiful. What's your name?
John.
My guy John just gave me a job.
Ramly burger, Mike. Mike.
Ramly burger number 1, we're here at Boss Burger. No wasting time, we've got 2 more to go. One thing this burger is not, is, I don't think it's not supposed to be pretty, yeah? There's a whole load of stuff banged into this burger. And I've read you've got to keep it in the tissue because there's a whole mess. We've got in here ketchup, there's mayo, there's 2 burgers. And
2 burgers?
Yeah, 2 burgers. There's egg over the 2 burgers, there's cheese, lettuce, ketchup. I don't know what is not in the burger. Let's get into it.
Ramly burger, Ramly burger, Ramly burger.
That is messy.
Mike. Ramly burger, Mike.
This is like that end of night kebab burger, the kebab shop burger, but taken up several levels. If this is what Ramly's saying, man, like order Ramly.
Does it make it into your top 5 global burgers?
You're getting ahead of yourself.
It's nicer than I thought because it's very saucy and
Like-
sometimes that's a bit awkward, but yeah.
What I'm hearing is my wife's got no sauce.
See, that's so much sauce.
If there's a clean way to eat this,
I don't
please
think
let us know
there
in the
is.
comments.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, solid. Thank you, John. That was Boss Burger here in Bukit Bintang in the main.
Alliteration there.
You like the alliteration, yeah? I think it was an error making a video where we're going to try 3 burgers, but we've committed now, so we've got to do it. That's the first spot. We're on to another spot now. I know the name of it. I have no idea where it is. No one seems to know where it is. So we're just going to have to walk around here until we find it. And then after here, we're going to Chinatown to a 3rd spot, which is supposed to be the best spot. Who knows? Every spot probably says it's the best spot. So we're going to decide. So we're here at Ding Dong Burger. Seen this place pop up a few times. It must be saying something. So, Ramly burger number 2, let's go. I don't know how these guys at Food Wars, the food insider guys, they go around and they try 3, 4, 5 different spots in a day. Tacos, burgers, roast dinners. I don't know how they do it. We've had 1 burger between us. I don't want another one, but here we are, struggling. 1 Ramly burger, please, small. Chicken or beef? Beef, please. Don't know what's going on at this point. It's not even busy. There's like just us and someone else
And
waiting.
I think we ordered first out of the 3 people that are here. So I'm confused.
Homeboy's just taking his time. He's
I'm
like,
expecting Michelin star burger.
I think it's gonna be dead. That took bare long. literally like half an hour, maybe longer, and there was basically no one there. But
I
anyway,
think a few people had done some big orders. That's kind of promising.
fun them. Anyway, goodies secured. Got the tin. We're gonna have to eat it on the way to the next spot because it took so long, and it's getting late. So, first and foremost, let's open it up. Okay, so this one is a bit smaller, a bit more compact, not as messy as the last one. That gets me excited because man's full. No dilly dally, no delay. Let's get straight into it. I can't lie, after Kate's tried this, it's going in the bin still. The burger, they had a load of burgers on the side. We didn't watch them cook it fresh. It was like, yeah, the burger had been cooked recently, but then they stockpiled them all up on the side. So they're just getting overheated. And now, it's dried out. It's tough. Bad service, dead burger. Don't go to Ding Dong, it's not it. Anyway, you try.
Great. I feel like the burger is quite hard because it's been cooked so much.
It's just crispy, isn't it?
The outer layer is like so hard, but not good crispy.
Yeah. Not like
not
a
like smash patty
yeah.
It's like frozen burger's been overcooked in the oven crispy.
This one definitely isn't making it to the top spot. So if you're here in Chinatown, don't go to Ding Dong Burger.
Or maybe we just went on a bad day.
Maybe we did go on a bad day, but you're only as good as your last burger. And for consistency, for me, is one of the most important things in the whole burger scene. So, also, service was pretty poor. Dude was kind of rude. It was cheaper, so that's good. It was $6. The one we had before was $9.50. But surely we can get one that's better at a good price range. We're on the way to the last spot now. Wish us luck. So after the disappointment of that dead burger, we pulled up to the third spot and it's closed. This could be a blessing in disguise because now we're on our way to Brickfields, which if you remember from the last video is in Little India, and apparently this is also the spot that I Show Speed went to when he came through to Kuala Lumpur. Now he gassed up the burger, but he gasses up everything, so it's hard to know if it's actually good or not. So let's see. And hopefully this one's open and we can round off this video so that we can stop eating because it's too late to be eating. What's going on, bro? How are you? So we made it here to Bob's Burgers. It's open, looks promising. The rumors are true. We've got my guy, I Show Speed. He rolled through earlier this year, like a couple months ago. So it must be quite good, I guess. Or it might not mean anything. Anyway, looking at the prices. Hi, one Ramly burger, please.
Okay, Ramly.
Yeah, Ramly, please, yeah.
Okay. Special.
Special, please, yeah.
Okay, fine.
Beef.
Okay.
Thank you so much. How much is that one?
6 ringgit.
ringgit, okay. I'm starting to feel like my guy John, was that his name? John. Rip me off.
The spot's got like full-on setup, like it's actually a building, not just like a little roadside store. It's like serious sort of business operation.
Does that make you feel more or less confident in the final product?
More?
We like that. We like that. How long have you been making these burgers? Yeah, in here, yeah.
Around 4 years.
5 years? 4 years, okay.
Coming to 5. This year is going to be 5.
5 years. Wow. Business is doing well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So far, yeah.
Because I notice a lot of the burger stands,
Yeah.
it's just like a random stall,
Yeah.
whereas you have like an actual kitchen and everything. Yeah.
I have before the car.
Oh, and then you upgraded?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice.
By the time we expand and we create a few menus,
Yeah.
we need to have the proper kitchen.
Nice. That's cool, man. Just chatting to the guy who owns this joint. So he used to have one of the carts on the street as well, just selling it at the side of the road. Then they outgrew that. He leveled up. So clearly, they must have been doing something right. They don't just sell the Ramly burger. I think a lot of places don't just sell that, but they also have their own fried chicken, which is one that he recommended, but we're too full for that. And then they've got their own homemade beef burgers as well. Looks good, I can't lie. Everything in here is giving me a lot of confidence. Well, this is definitely the best presented one by far. Came out in this lovely, neat tissue. The burgers all neatly tucked together. doesn't look like it's too packed. The
That
bun
looks nice.
Yeah. Alright, without further delay.
Smells good.
I'm not going to say anything yet because I don't want to influence that psychology.
I can tell from your facial expressions. Let's have another bite.
A second bite.
I'm still undecided which one I think's the best.
Now here's the thing.
I feel like it's less chaotic. You can actually like taste the flavours of stuff.
Also, one thing that I really like, they've seasoned the burger with a hint of curry powder. That is adding a super interesting taste. It's either in the burger seasoning or it's in one of the sauces, and that is just
I feel like you can
setting
taste
it off.
the burger patty better. The last one, the patty had no flavour because it was just cremated. And the first one was a bit salty, I felt. It is still very messy though.
I see you, Bob. Okay, so to review. First, we went to Boss Burger in Bukit Bintang. My guy John, safe. Great customer service. Burger was tasty, a bit big, bit messy.
That was a double patty though. This one and the one before, we've only had a single patty.
True. What's interesting about this though, I feel like this single patty is giving me a lot more flavour than the double patties of the other ones. So went there, that was good. It was a good entry. I think that was a good first one to have because we knew where the bar should kind of be. Then we got a grab to Chinatown, went to
Ding dong.
Ding Dong Dead, yeah. Won't ever be going back there. Rude, dead burger, overcooked, dry, have been on the site for so long. Hopefully we're not going to get food poisoning from it. Now we're here at Bob's. As I said on the way here, blessing in disguise really, because we would have gone to that random stall in Chinatown and I'm sure it might have been good, but let's be honest, Bob's, hit up Bob's. If you're coming here to get a Ramly burger, if you're coming to Kuala Lumpur, don't waste your time. Watch the video, go to Bob's. Man's got chairs, tables. Some of the others did as well, but it's all legit. It's airy.
I
It's
feel like this one was much quicker as well.
burger was quick.
The quality is better and it was the quickest one.
If we'd had this one first, might have sacked off the whole video. Luckily we didn't.
So I think we know the ranking order.
So, Bob's, Boss Burger, Ding Dong. There's probably like 50 other burgers between there and Ding Dong, and there's not that many spots in the city. In terms of the overall burger rankings ever, for me it's not touching the top 10. However, it's a really good burger.
These are not official burger rankings, by the way. They're Jordan's personal burger rankings.
So they're official. Hope you enjoyed this one. It's definitely time for us to lock this off. It's late. We've got to finish this burger. We're flying to Hong Kong in about 36 hours, so we've got to prepare for that. If you like this video, you want to see more content, please like, subscribe, and as always,
Safe.
Alright.
Are you Bob?
Yeah, I'm Bob.
Okay, cool. Bob,
Alright.
that burger,
Yeah. All good?
serious burger. Thank you, yeah. Take care, alright? See you later, bye.